Mastering Money Management, a comprehensive guide to financial success. Are you tired of wondering where all your money goes every month? If so, it's time to reassess your approach to money management. In today's video, we'll walk you through a 6-step guide to help you take control of your finances and start working towards your financial goals. But first, this is Ash Cash Stash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in! Assessing your financial position. The first step in mastering money management is to know your starting point. This involves understanding your total monthly spending, including fixed expenses like rent and variable expenses like dining out. Calculating your net worth can also help you assess your financial health and identify areas for improvement. Share your current financial goals and how you plan to achieve them in the comments below. Categorizing your spending. Next, categorize your monthly spending according to the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your budget to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This approach helps you prioritize your spending and ensure you're living within your means. Prioritizing and automating your finances. Prioritize your essential bills and living expenses. Then, automate your finances to ensure your bills are paid on time. Set up automatic payments for your regular expenses and use reminders to stay on top of your financial obligations. Using a spreadsheet for tracking. If you're a visual learner, consider using a spreadsheet to track your income and expenses. This approach allows you to organize your finances by week and easily track your monthly spending. Budgeting spreadsheets can automate calculations and provide real-time updates on your financial status. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the Subscribe Squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Using budgeting apps. Budgeting or expense tracking apps can simplify the process of monitoring your expenses. These apps can connect to your bank and credit card accounts, categorize expenses, and generate visual representations of your spending habits. However, keep in mind that cash transactions will need to be entered manually for accurate tracking. Leveraging your bank's resources. Many banks offer budgeting and expense tracking tools that can help you manage your finances more effectively. These tools categorize and track your expenses, providing a comprehensive overview of your financial health. Check with your bank to see if they offer these services and start utilizing them to stay on top of your finances. Have you used your bank's budgeting tools? Share your experiences and how they've helped you manage your finances. In conclusion, mastering money management is all about understanding your financial position, categorizing your spending, and prioritizing your financial goals. Whether you prefer using spreadsheets, budgeting apps, or your bank's resources, the key is to find a method that works for you and stick to it. By taking control of your finances and making informed decisions, you can achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is Ash Cash Stash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance, let's continue the conversation in the comments. What's your biggest financial goal and how are you working towards it? Share your thoughts and experiences with us.